Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Chao in depth. First, the definition. Chao means a greeting or farewell in several languages, especially Spanish and Italian. Think of it simply as a friendly wave or a warm goodbye. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Ciao traces back to the Venetian Italian ciao, meaning both hello and goodbye, first recorded in the 1700s. Over time, it's been used by speakers of Italian and Spanish cultures. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use ciao in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When Maria left the party, she waved and said ciao to everyone. Correct example 2. Juan greeted his friends with a cheerful ciao as he arrived. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to cow my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using ciao correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Ciao means a greeting or farewell in several languages. It comes from Venetian Italian origins, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with ciao down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.